Hi, I'm Rick Surprise, and I'm with the labeling division of All-Fill, and we're coming to you live from our main production plant in Exton, Pennsylvania. This happens to be where the labelers are manufactured. What we're looking at today is our standard wrap labeling system. It's designed to apply pressure-sensitive labels to round products. So, who would need a pressure-sensitive labeler? If you're applying a pressure-sensitive label to a product, and you're doing more than 500 at a time, it makes sense to purchase an automatic labeler to do it. Also, because All-Fill manufactures a complete line of products and you have other automated equipment, it's a good idea to have a labeler to integrate with us, such as, say these particular bottles, if you were to purchase one of our auger fillers to fill the product, it's capped. It can then transfer directly from the other All-Fill equipment onto the labeler, where it will be ran down, the label applied, and it can go to an All-Fill check weigher. This is our AccuWrap wrap labeling system. This is our base model of a wrap labeler. Aside from this, which is sort of the middle of our product line, we make smaller, simpler entry-level machines, which you would use if you had a lower production rate or slower production rate. We also make high-speed systems with multiple labeling heads. We're currently building a machine with 5 labeling heads on it, so they can get much larger, much more complex. However, all of our labeling systems pretty much have the same layout, but they can be modified for your production line or your application. Take, for instance, on this system, the product comes in, so if I'm standing at the labeling head, the product comes in to my left, it's spaced, the label's applied in the middle, it's wrapped around, and it exits here. I have my control panel, which I can rotate so that I can get to it from anywhere on the machine. We also have controls packages that are on a pivoting boom arm. So, with that controls package, which can be added to this machine, not only can we run this labeler from it, but we can integrate it with a production line and run other All-Fill pieces of equipment from it. Not only do we manufacture this equipment in Exton, PA, but it's fully serviced and supported. We have a complete inventory of parts and a full staff of service technicians that can help you. Aside from our Exton facility, we also have parts and service out of our Phoenix facility. What I'll do real quick is I'll get Chris to start this machine up and run it, just so you can get a rough idea of what a wrap labeling system looks like. So the conveyor started, the spacing wheel's now going to release a product, the label's applied, label's applied, label's applied. So as far as price range, our prices start about $10,000 and can go. You can add vision systems, reject stations, high-speed options, so it's hard to quote the ceiling on the price. This machine, however, has a starting price of $19,000. This is our wrap labeling system, which is pretty much the middle of our product line. We also make tabletop equipment, which is semi-automatic. This is used for lower production rates, also for unstable products such as vials and syringes. We make top panel labelers, side panel, front and back systems. We make high-speed versions of the wrap labeler that can do in excess of 250 products per minute. We also make print and apply labeling equipment. This is where the label is blank and we print the information on the label and apply it. That's an excellent integration to work with one of our check weighers. So as it's ran over the check weigher determines the weight of the product. That information is sent to one of our print and apply labelers, which in turn prints the exact weight information on our label for the customer. I'd like to thank you for your time, and now here are more labeler videos for you to watch. So for more information on our labelers, feel free to contact me, Rick S. at All-Fill, that's ALLFILL.com, Rick S. at allfill.com, or for general information, please go to info@allfill.com. Or you can call us at 610-524-7350.